Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Techno. So today is the 6th episode of our series Editing with DK. So today I'll be showing you how to create a dual tone image in Lightroom. So with that being said, do like this video, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing content like this. So now let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is open Lightroom, import the image which you have to edit, and make sure the image should be the dark background like this. I've shown how to create this type of image in the last video. I'll add the link in the description and in the top right corner. So the first thing to do is I have to increase the contrast if the image is too white, or decrease the contrast if the image is too dark. So over here the image is too dark, I'll decrease the contrast. After that you have to go into the detail option. Now I have to increase the reduce noise and increase the color noise reduction. So after you have increased these both, go into lens correction profile. Now enable it, lens profile correction. After that you have to go into selective edit. Now choose a brush, and now choose the brush, and now color the one side of the image. You can say half of the image. After done with it, now click on this blue dot to disable the red color. Now go into colors, and now change the hue and saturation to whatever color you like. Over here I'm taking this to blue, and increase the temperature to give it a dark color. So after I've done this, now again click on add and click on brush, and now again color the other half side of the image like I'm doing over here. After done it, click on blue dot again to disable the red color. Now go into colors. Over here I'll choose the red color, and now increase the saturation until the color totally comes. Okay, this looks good now. So as you can see, we have created dual tone. Now just add another layer. Add another. So now color the middle part to give an extra effect. After done it, again click on blue dot to disable the red color. Now take this to whichever color you like. Over here violet looks good. Increase the saturation by a little bit. Increase or decrease the tint and temperature. So yeah, this looks good. So I've shown you how to create a dual tone image in Lightroom. So this was all for this video. I hope you like this video. To stay tuned with this series, do subscribe our channel and turn the notification on of our channel. So see you, tata, bye bye.